for all of us that have bought a fiberglass hood for our muscle car, whether it be a Chevrolet or maybe a Mustang or maybe a G-body. I've kind of, you know, look at this and it looks like it works for just about everything. Again, don't quote me on that. We're gonna try this life hack on a Chevelle. I'm not gonna take credit for this. This is something that a buddy of mine from Chicago commented on a post, and I tried it out on my Chevelle and it worked out perfectly. So most of us, when we buy a Chevelle or a Nova or you know, any older GM muscle car, when you buy the fiberglass hoods are really heavy, and then you got to buy either the hood springs from hardwood or somebody like that to hold the hood up, or you got to use a prop rod, right, to hold the hood up. So you know, you're using floor jack handles, you're using maybe broom handles, maybe you found a piece of wood that you really like. I've seen guys use cue sticks for playing pool. I've seen guys use those as well. So this little hack here is going to save you all that, and then also it's going to make the car safer when you're at a car show or you're at a drag strip and you want to make sure that the hood doesn't come down and close on somebody and hurt someone, right? So let's go through that real quick. The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to have to go down to the hardware store and get you one of these little devices here. I got this at Lowe's. It was really inexpensive, right? Next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need a drill bit, right, and a drill. Mine's already done, so I'm not going to go through the whole process of doing it, but I'm just going to show you real quick what needs to be done. So let's open up the hood on the Chevelle and I'll show you real quick what we're going to do. So basically the hood hinge here is a scissor hinge, right? So it's got two pieces. It's got this piece here and this piece here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open it wherever you like it, and you're going to want to drill a hole right through these two pieces, right? You're going to drill a hole through this piece and this piece, right? I found this area to work out perfect, right? This is where you're going to drill your little hole here, and the drill bit just needs to be the same size as whatever tool you're using. Some guys will just use a screw. They'll just stick a screw in here. We didn't do that. We got that little pin that looks like a hood pin down at Lowe's. So again, all you're going to do is going to drill a hole here. In that case, you're going to need help from a buddy or somebody else to hold up the hood for you, or maybe again a cue stick or something like that. And then what you're going to do is, again, you're going to drill a hole through. Once you've gone through both sides, right, all you need to do then is get your little pin. And then I took it a step further just for safety. I went on Amazon.com and I got these little remove before flight tags. These are cheap. I got like 3 for $9, right? So what you do is you put these on here. Oops. Put your little tag on there, right? Now what you do is, when you're next time you're at a show or next time you're at the drag strip, what you're wanting to do is get your pin with your tag. With one hand you can hold up the hood. With the other hand you align your hinge. Goes through. Leave your tag out. Let it go. There you go. Now you've got your hood secure. You've got your remove before flight tag on there, and this way anybody that is looking under your hood, or if you're working under the hood, whatever, now the hood won't close on you. There's nothing in the way. There's no cue sticks or jack handles or broomsticks or anything like that in the way. So then when you're done with it, take it out, close your hood back, and what I do is I just hang it right here on the turn signal lever. It's right there, and there it is. Now I don't lose it. I know exactly where it's at, and you're good to go. Put your hood pins back on. And you're ready for another day. All right, thanks for watching.